Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know we are discussing our chapter number 2 which is understanding Windows 10. So this is part 3. So without wasting any time let's start. So as you can see today we will discuss about universal apps of Windows 10. Now what is the meaning of universal? Universal means a app which we can use in all the devices which supports Windows 10. So Universal Apps is an integral part of the Windows 10 store. As the name suggests, these are apps that work on all devices size from phones to high-powered desktop PCs. So Windows 10 provides us with a bundle of built-in apps like Photos, Maps, Mail, Alarm, Clock and Calendar etc. You can find and use these apps from the option in start menu. So let's discuss about some of the most useful apps, your universal apps of Windows 10. First one is Photos. So as you can see, the Photos app collect and organize all your photos and videos from your PC and the other devices at one place. So it means this app automatically store your photos and videos as a specific place. So this is a useful app. Next one is Weather. This app provides you with reliable forecast, weather conditions, real time rain alert and the minimum maximum temperature of your favorite location at a glance. So as you can see, this is basically a weather forecasting application. As we can use weather forecasting applications in our smartphones also. If you are using Android phone, so you can use this type of weather forecasting application in Android phone also. So this is the same application of Windows. Next one is Mail. This app allows you to manage all your mail accounts at one place. It notifies you about the incoming mails, allows you to read a mail and respond back to a sender. To use this app, you need to sign in with your account. So, this is basically a mail feature by which you can use different accounts at a same place. If you want to add an account in this mail feature, so you can simply add any account by clicking on add account option. So it is a mailing account or mailing feature of Windows 10. Next one is customizing the desktop. So Windows is quite flexible and provides options to change the setting of the desktop according to your choice. So you can easily change the background, the color of your Windows desktop. You can change the lock screen, you can change the themes, you can change the font, start options, you can change the taskbar. So there are many options by which you can customize your desktop in Windows 10. Display multiple windows at a time. So in Windows 10 we can display multiple application windows side by side. So as you can see, there are 1, 2 and 3. We can use 3 and more windows at the same time in Windows 10. You can create any tables, you can work on MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint at the same time. You can surfing the internet, you can also watch the movies. So this is a useful feature of Windows 10. Exploring pictures. So In this picture folder, we can store digital photos, images and graphic files. So you can easily store your photos files in Windows 10 exploring picture option. So these are some universal app of Windows 10. I hope it's clear. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.